In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen images in Lightroom. This skill can really enhance your photos by emphasizing details that might have been slightly out of focus or obscured. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Lightroom on your computer. Once it's open, the first thing to do is import the photo you'd like to edit. You can simply drag and drop your image file into the application, or if you prefer, you can go to the File tab at the top of the interface and select Import from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new screen where you can navigate to the photo you want to bring into Lightroom. After your photo is imported successfully, you'll notice a new screen appear, and the photo will be displayed in your library at the top right of the interface. From here, we're ready to start making some edits. To dive into the photo enhancement tools, you'll want to click on the Develop module. You can find this option located at the top of the screen. This is where most of the magic happens when editing in Lightroom, as it provides a vast array of editing tools. Once in develop mode, direct your attention to the right-hand column. Here you will find various options to adjust and perfect the quality of your photo. What we're focused on today, however, is sharpening, so you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the Details section. This section contains everything you need for fine-tuning the sharpness of your image. In the Detail panel, you will see the sharpening sliders: Amount, Radius, Detail, and Masking. Let me explain these sliders to you briefly. The Amount slider controls the volume of sharpening applied to the image. A higher value obviously means more sharpening, but be cautious, as too high a setting can create unnatural halos around the edges of details. The Radius slider defines the size of the details that are being sharpened. Adjust this setting carefully. Typically, a low radius is recommended for landscapes or photos with intricate details, whereas a higher radius might suit portraits. The Detail slider determines how much high-frequency information is enhanced in the sharpening process. A lower setting protects smoother areas from being distorted, while a higher setting gives maximum detail enhancement. Lastly, there's the Masking slider, which is especially useful for controlling which areas of your photo receive sharpening. Holding the Alt or Option key as you adjust this slider will give you a preview masking view. White areas indicate what will be sharpened. And there you have it. Experiment with these settings until you find the perfect balance that highlights your image's details, making sure not to overdo it. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different combinations until you achieve the desired effect. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!